Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Reddit app on your mobile phone. So first of all, you have to open up Google Play Store or App Store. If you have an Android phone, you guys can open up Google Play Store. If you have an iPhone, you have to simply open up App Store. So after opening up the App Store or Google Play Store, simply go to the search bar of your App Store or Play Store. Simply search for Reddit. So after searching for Reddit, you have to open up Reddit application, which is the first application, and make sure that you have to install it. So after installing it, you have to click on open. So after tapping on open, you guys can clearly see it is asking for account creation. So if you have already an account, you guys can log in with your Google account, or you guys can log in with your email account existed. If you doesn't have any existed account, you guys can simply create by just tapping on sign up button. So after tapping on sign up button, you guys can sign up with Google, or you guys can also sign up with email. So after signing up with the email, make sure to tap on the agree button which is below. So after tapping on the agree button and just simply tap on sign up. And in this way, you guys can easily download and install Reddit application and use Reddit application on your mobile phone. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.